Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Tracheostomy, and we're looking at its types. So there are three types: high, mid, and low. So first we are going to look at high. So high tracheostomy is done through the first tracheal ridge. So it is the first tracheal ring. And an opening is made above the isthmus of the thyroid gland. So there will be an opening. So opening is made above the isthmus of the thyroid gland. Opening is made above the isthmus, and this is of the TG, that is the thyroid gland. And it is done in case of malignancy of the larynx. So larynx malignancy. There is increased risk of perichondritis as well as subglottic stenosis. So in terms of high tracheostomy, there is increase in the risk, and this is of the perichondritis as well as the subglottic stenosis. Perichondritis, subglottic stenosis. So to recap the high tracheostomy, it was done in the first tracheal ring. It is done in case of malignancy of the larynx. An opening is made above the isthmus of the thyroid gland and increases in the perichondritis as well as the subglottic stenosis. Now we look at the mid tracheostomy. The mid tracheostomy, the high was in first tracheal ring, and mid is going to be in second and third rings. So the most commonly it is done in the tracheostomy. So it is most commonly done in the tracheostomy, and the isthmus has to be retracted or divided. So when you look at the isthmus, it has to be retracted or it should be divided. Next is we move on to the low tracheostomy. So here in low tracheostomy, it is done in the fourth and fifth tracheal ring. So it is done in the fourth and fifth tracheal ring. It is done below the isthmus. So it is low, so it is below. It is below the isthmus. And it is done when the airway is blocked at the upper airway level. So the airway, if you see, it is blocked. It is blocked at the upper airway level. So there is a risk of injuring the great vessels of the neck. So the great vessels of the neck is injured. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.